Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my last video, we discussed about Amazon Associate Program or Amazon Affiliate Marketing. There were a lot of queries and questions about Amazon Affiliate Marketing. So I decided to make a series of videos about Amazon Affiliate Program. As many of you who are already engaged in any kind of affiliate marketing, they know uh, every affiliate network has its own restrictions, has its own limitations, has its boundaries. In the same way, Amazon affiliate program also has some restrictions, some boundaries. So before starting Amazon affiliate marketing, you must know in detail what are its boundaries, what are the points, what are the things you should keep in mind before starting this marketing. So many of especially the people who are fresh, who are newbies in affiliate marketing, they do some specific mistake and they claim that we didn't get paid by Amazon for promotion or for their marketing. So actually we do some mistakes. As a result, we didn't get paid properly. As a result of affiliate marketing, we put our effort, we put our time, but at the end, if there is no payout, there is no meaning of that effort. So I will suggest you to keep watching this series of Amazon affiliate marketing. Hopefully after that you will be able to pursue your affiliate marketing program, Amazon affiliate marketing program, much better. So let's go to Amazon website. Okay, uh, when you will search out Amazon affiliate program, we are going to its affiliate center. So here we need to actually we need to see its program policies before starting our struggle, before starting our marketing. We must know what are restrictions Amazon has made on us, and what are do's and don'ts of Amazon affiliate marketing. So I will suggest you to look at this first. First of all, when you go to Amazon commission income statement, so first of all, just check out qualifying purchases and qualifying revenue. What kind of purchases are considered as qualified purchases? So the point one here, if you see, if some customer clicks on special link which will provided you uh, to an affiliate by Amazon, if someone clicks on that link, and the second point, what's after that? If someone clicks on your special affiliate link, if that customer, if that visitor purchases something within 24 hours from that link, or the same person purchases something else which you are promoting, if that person buys and adding something to its cart, you will be paid for that. Okay, the second thing, the most important thing for that specific link or session you have made for 24 hours, you should keep in mind few points. The first point: the customer purchases or buys the product by one click feature. It may be on your website or on your mobile app. And if that product is purchased by customer, it was shipped and he paid successfully, and that customer didn't claim any refund or cancellation of that product, it will be considered as qualified sale, and your revenue will be considered as qualifying revenue. And here is a list of disqualified purchases. If there is any purchase where there is a after termination of your agreement, if you have terminated your agreement with Amazon, any sale after that will be considered as disqualified sale. Or any sale which was cancelled, which was returned or refunded to customer, that will be considered as disqualified sale or disqualified purchase. And here are other things where you should keep in mind while you are promoting the link, while you are marketing some specific product from Amazon. One thing you should keep in mind: Amazon is very much curious uh, about its goodwill, about its worth as a website. Amazon doesn't allow anyone to use its name. You cannot show on your website on your mobile app that you are affiliated with Amazon. That you cannot show any of your link with Amazon. Simply, you will gather your visitors. You will get attention of your visitor through different means. You can take them on your website, and there will be that special link for that product, and the customer will click on that, and if he or she buys that product, that sale will be qualifying sale. So it's very important that uh, that 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 you are not using the name of Amazon while promoting that link. So you should use your own name. You should use your own ways, your own strategies to attract visitors. So it is the most important thing. And the second thing, how does Amazon pay you your commission? The second most important thing which you should keep in mind: the payment options. The option number one: Amazon will directly deposit that money, your commission money, into your account. And the only thing which you should keep in mind, that is that value should be the payment minimum. It should be according to payment minimum chart. Like I will discuss this later. And the option number two: you can get Amazon gift card. But for Amazon gift card, you must reach the minimum value, which is after that you will be qualified for an Amazon gift card. And the third is a payment through check. But one thing very important that you must keep in mind: when you are choosing the bank check option, there is a check fee which will be deducted from that. So look at this table. In case of deposit, at least it should be the $10 of commission money which will be deposited in your account. And in case of gift dollar, this amount is also $10. And in case of bank check, this amount is $100. And out of this 100, $15 will be its processing fee. And if you have earned $100, actually you will get $85. So this is all about payment. In my next video I will that will be very important. That is the most important thing about that is the enrollment and eligibility criteria of Amazon affiliate program. Keep watching my videos, uh, and just wait for rest of the series of the videos. I will discuss in my next video the enrollment criteria for Amazon affiliate program. If you haven't subscribed my channel, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I will publish my new video. Thank you. See you next time with a new video.